Hey everyone, sorry for the lack of videos at the moment on the bike. It's just ordering parts and waiting for them. I've got a sprocket cover coming, this side panel coming. The other side, I still haven't managed to get a panel. They do seem to be really elusive, or just nobody likes them anymore. I've got obviously the Speedo and Rev. Do you have to make noise right now, Bonnie? This is actually coming off. I'm going to put a fuel gauge on instead because the Rev is actually a motorized and this is a digital, so it won't be compatible. Headlights working. It's now got high beam. I've got a new switch for the brake for the foot one because obviously it wasn't working, which is all the way down there. But if I press it, you can see it lights up. I had to. You won't be able to see. There is a video coming about it later, but I had to put it in a different location. And unfortunately, the engine is still bogging out. I've taken off the carb. I've put a whole new carb kit on it. You can see the fuel doesn't look too bad. You want to come for a kiss? Want to come for a kiss? Huh? But I can quickly show you what it does. Chain guard is coming. I stupidly ordered it from China, so it's going to be about 4.5 years before it actually gets here. So it's getting there. It is getting there. So if I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to put a big bore kit on it yet, but I know that the exhaust definitely. Well, there might be some oil leak into the back because after a while it does start smoking up. So there you go. You give it any. What are you doing over there? What are you trying to get? So, not got far with it. What are you doing? You being naughty? I know what you want. What? Oh no, wait, where'd it go? There was a cork here somewhere. Oh, there it is. What's this? Huh? What's this? Good catch.